Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create Josh app. So if you want to create an account on your Josh application, first of all you have to open up your Josh application. After opening your Josh application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner. So after tapping on your profile icon, you can easily tap on send OTP and the app will send you a OTP which you have to enter and you will successfully create an account on your Josh account. So if you don't want to use your mobile number, you can also tap on Facebook or Google. So I'm tapping on my Google account and then using my Google account to log in Josh application. So after choosing a Gmail account, you have to create a username for your Josh account. So enter a username that you would like. So after choosing your username, tap on save. So after tapping on save, you have successfully created your Josh account. So this is how you create your Josh account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.